on bike. So in today's video you might have seen we are at Adeshwar Riders Arena. So we thought we'll buy top box for our green Inferno. So this is the top box which we have purchased, and this costs somewhere around 30,000, but we are getting in offer price for 15,000. So this offer is for limited period, and definitely it's a case, and it's really hard, and it is quite big as well. So the top box is almost 40 liters, so you have very much huge space to keep your things in. And we also got this Mototech bash plate, Mototech bash plate. No, you can mix it, no problem. So it's a laser cut aluminium, and it's very hard. So it costed somewhere around 2,600. So on this the top box goes, and it will fit properly on Himalayan. So guys, so finally the top box is going on to green Inferno. So we have dropped two Adeshwar Riders gear. So they provide good quality products, as I was told in the last video. The quality and the product what you get here are really good and worth paying every rupee. So we are finally putting the top box, which is right over there, and it will be fitted on top of the Himalayan. So stay tuned guys. So the mechanic is putting the bolts on the bash plate so that it will stay strong on the carrier of the Himalayan. So on top of this the top box will go. So that is the bash plate which comes along with the top box. So what we will be doing is we'll be detaching it from the top box, and we'll be sliding it. That's what I feel. Let's see. So this is the plate which we need to fit now, and later on top of this the top case will be going. So with the top box we'll get some set of tools as well, tools and bolts. So this will be used only for the top box fitting. mechanic did is first he installed the Motec grill, and on top of that the top box what you get, right? With the top box you get an additional grill as well. So on top of this the top box will be fitted. So whenever you don't need the top box or anything, what you can do is just unlock it and you can just remove it directly. So that's the benefit what you're getting with this top box. The top test, which I got from Madheshwar Radar Service. This is my close friend, Mr. Nitin. So I know him from very long time, almost 5-6 years. So whichever products you are based on a bike, definitely please meet him. So he will give you good discount and also he will give you all the different kind of products what you want. From helmets, jackets, riding gears, or top box, camera, anything which you name, all that different. And because of him only we came here and we purchased this product, and thanks to him. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. If yes, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel for regular. Thank you.